Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Today I discuss about the whole number in class 6. In previous class I already discussed about the whole number and the properties of whole number under addition. Today I discuss about the properties of whole number under multiplication. The same properties, addition and multiplication has same property in whole number. Okay. Now, what is the properties of closure property of multiplication in the whole number? Let A and B be two whole number, then A into B must be a whole number. Okay, understood? Now I take an example. Now 2 and 3 are whole number. Then that implies 2 into 3 to the 6 must be whole number. This is called the closure property. Okay. Now I discuss about the commutative property. I already discussed the same property in the addition in the previous class. Okay, now the commutative property. Commutative property be A and B be two whole number. Then commutative property become A into B is equal to B into A. This is called the commutative property. Okay, now I write multiplication here because the whole number, this property under the multiplication. Okay, now the associative property. What is associative property? Let A, B, C be three whole number. Then A into B into C is equal to, you can write in multiplication like this also, A into B into C. This is called the associative property. Now I take an example. What is this? 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 also. This is 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 also. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 into 5, 30 also. This is same. This properties is called the associative property. Now, I give an example for the commutative property. I miss here. Now, 4 into 6 and 6 into 4 are same now. 4 6 are 24. Okay. This is the commutative properties also. Now, the existence of multiplicative identity. What is the identity? I already discussed in the previous class under addition. The whole number, you can multiply it by the another whole number. This whole number remain same. This number is called the multiplicative identity. Now, I give an example. What is this? Let A, B and A be a whole number. Okay. Now, if you multiply it by 1 and 1 into A, the A is same. The whole number is same. A is same. Then, here 1 is called, that implies 1 is called multiplicative identity. This is called the multiplicative identity. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. You can multiply it by the any number with 1. The answer be any number. This is called the multiplicative identity. And the distributive properties of multiplication over addition. The distributive property of multiplication over addition. That means the distributive property become let A, B, C, B, 3 whole number, then whole number, then A into B plus C is, you can write into here also, A into B plus A into C. Like this. A into B plus C means A into B plus is in the middle and A into C. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. Let's take an example under the distributive property. That is, I take an example here. 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to, also I can write 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. This is 3 2s are 6 plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 16. This is also B. 5 plus 3 is 8 and into 2 16 also. This is the distributive property. I say one thing, multiplication, addition follows this property, but in the whole number. But in the whole number, subtraction and division cannot follow the closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property also. These 1, 2, 3, 4 properties cannot follow in the whole number, subtraction and division also. Now I give some maths and I am doing some maths for example on this matter, but you must remember, you must practice in your home under these properties, and which I already discussed in the class and the previous classes also. You must practice in your home. Please, you must write all these things what I write in the board in your copy. Otherwise, you forgot all these things. You see that video and you forgot all these things. This is not my motto. My motto is you just learn it, you just copy up it. Please, you do related this sum in your copy also. Okay. Now I discuss about these sums also. Find the products using suitable properties. Okay. Now I use here the distributive property. What is this? 100 you can write in the expanded form like this. Okay. Then you just multiply it. Just like this, I use distributive property. 238 00 plus 238 into 3. This is, you just multiplied here now. 3 8s are 24. 4 and 2 carry. 3 is a 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 3 is a 6 plus 1 carry. This one. Now you just do the addition here. Here you just put here, and 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 and 1 carry also. Then 4 and 2. This is the answer using the suitable properties. This is the property with distributive property. You can do also like this here. This is, you write like this. This one 1000 plus 3 and into 138. This is 1000 into 138 plus 3 into 138. Then 138 000 plus 3 8s are 24. 4 and 2 carry. 3 is a 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 4 here also. The answer become like this using the distributive property. Now I discuss about the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? The division algorithm become, all of you know which is dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient and which is remainder also. When you do the division, this is called dividend, this is called divisor, this is the answer become quotient, the remaining also be the remainder. Okay, now I write the division algorithm. This is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, remainder. This is very important. This is called the division algorithm. What is this? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I take an example. Divide this one by this one and verify the result by using the division algorithm. Okay, now you divided 13 here also. What is this? 13 5s are 65, and now 2 and 5, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26 is bigger, that's why I write 13 ones are 13, and then this is here 12 and 0 is comes down, then 13 nines are 117. I write here because there is no space, that's why. Now this is 3 also. Here the quotient be 15519, remainder be 3 and divisor be 13. Now you just verify. This is quotient divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is 13 into 519 plus 3. Here 6747 plus 3, 6750. This is dividend. This is called dividend. Match this one. This is the division algorithm. Now I start patterns. Now I discuss about the patterns. What I write on the board, you just look at the pattern. What is this? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is 2 square. 2 square means 2 to the 4. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 9 means 3 square. 3 3s are 9. And then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16. Is equal to 4 square. Just you do like this. If you add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. How many numbers you odd number? All these things are odd number. How many odd number you add here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 odd number you add here. That's why 8 square. Here you add how many odd number? 2 odd number. This is 2 square. Here you add 3 odd number. This is 3 square. Here you add 4 odd number. This is 4 square. Okay. This is the pattern. Now I give a question. Discuss the question also. This is the another pattern. This is 1 into 9 plus 1 is 10. 12 into 9 plus 2 is 110. And 123 into 9 plus 3 is 1110. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9 plus 4. Here is 1, then 1 and 1, 0. Here is 2, then 2, 1, 1, 0. Then here is 3, 3, 1, 1, 0. Here is 4. How many 1 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 0. Here is 5. Then how many 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. You just look at this pattern. Now, this is my another thing I say. You must practice this type of sums from your book. Any book you can avail and must write. You pause the video, write these patterns also, and so many patterns you practice in your home. Then you just get it and you do all these things by own. Okay, this is my request. Please class 6 standard students, please practice this chapter. That's all for whole number chapters. I discuss all these things in the whole number chapter in class 6 standard. Please you practice in your home to see in your own book. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I must discuss in the comment sections if you have any doubts. Please share these videos, and if you like my video, please like this video and subscribe it, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today.
Yeah.